Tax planning. Welcome to Money Mingle today, tax planning and tips. Hello, smart savers, welcome back to Money Mingle today, where we help you make the most of your money. Today, we're diving into the world of tax planning. We'll explore how to maximize your deductions, take advantage of credits, and plan your taxes efficiently. So grab your notepad, and let's get started. Understanding tax deductions. Tax deductions reduce your taxable income. It's like telling the taxman, hey, I spent this much on certain expenses, so I shouldn't be taxed on it. Common deductions include charitable donations, medical expenses, home mortgage interest. Remember, the more deductions you claim, the lower your taxable income, which can lead to significant savings. Maximizing tax credits. Unlike deductions, tax credits are a dollar-for-dollar reduction of your tax liability. Think of them as coupons that directly cut down what you owe. Some popular credits include education credits for tuition and fees, energy credits for making your home more efficient, child tax credit for your little ones. Efficient tax planning strategies. Efficient tax planning means paying only what you owe and not a penny more. Here are some strategies. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These contributions can be tax deductible. Open a health savings account (HSA). If you have a high deductible health plan, contributions are tax deductible, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. Harvest tax losses by selling investments that are down, offsetting capital gains. Advanced tips for the savvy taxpayer. For those looking to go the extra mile, consider tax-free investments like municipal bonds. Delay income if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket next year. Bunch deductions by timing expenses like medical procedures to maximize deductions in a single year. Conclusion. Tax planning is an ongoing process, not just a year-end rush. By staying informed and proactive, you can save money and reduce stress come tax time. Remember, consult with a tax professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching Money Mingle today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep saving smartly.